Hello there, I'm Alex Clear and I'm here at BrauBeviale 2018. I'm joined by Ivan Soltero from Rexnord. Ivan, thank you very much indeed for joining me.
Thank you for visiting us.
Can you just tell us a little bit about what Rexnord is exhibiting here at BrauBeviale and what you've been up to in the past 12 months?
Yes, we have 3 innovations to present at BrauBeviale. One of them is the MagnetFlex curb system. Our engineers design technology with magnets that go at the top and bottom of the chain. We all know that whenever we try to move glass containers, cans, and PET bottles, sometimes it's difficult to keep them in place. So MagnetFlex curb system acknowledges that and has provided a solution for it. The second one is something that's still in the works, but BrauBeviale came at the right time. It's called activator roller technology, otherwise called as ART dynamic chain. And what it is creating multiple behaviors within one single conveyor. So that means that people can create zero backline pressure, acceleration, deceleration, rotation clockwise and counterclockwise. So it really becomes a dynamic smart chain. The third product we have is our dry PT, and you will probably see it in a bunch of booths in BrauBeviale because it's fluorescent green. We love the color, but mainly is because we created this with a low friction purpose. For PET bottles that require fast speed processing. So this helps eliminate the need of lubrication that sometimes can be hard for cleaning, sticky situations, and the color itself helps people at the plants to identify when a line is dirty.
And if we touch on the MagnetFlex curve, with increasingly complex food and beverage production facilities, what challenges is that helping manufacturers to overcome?
Well, warehouses are more and more constrained, and the volume keeps increasing. So curves are definitely an item that is in every bottle line. When we saw competitive solutions, it was always a challenge to keep bottles in place, especially at fast speeds. And the wear and tear of the chain itself, whether it was steel chain or plastic chain with steel pins, the wear and tear was a lot harder to control. The system that we created allows with the magnets not to be holding the chain from the bottom when it returns. It is really contained by the magnets at the bottom, so that prevents any type of wear or tear by holding the chain, and the only wear and tear is done by the bottles on the top.
Okay, and if we bring in things like the ART dynamic chain, how is that helping Rexnord create a proposition that is above and beyond what your competitors can do?
Well, one of the key things that we get asked is, can we create added value behavior in a chain? We're focusing on straight line behavior. So for example, from packer to palletizer applications, we didn't have a solution before ART. When the bottles, the cans, or the PET bottles are put into a case, sometimes people can afford robotics to turn and create the pallets. Some people cannot afford laser label readers, so with a solution like ART Dynamic Chain, you can rotate those boxes and have a simple label reader. It helps a lot for inspection, visual inspection, so it really gives an opportunity for all types of OEMs and end users to create behaviors that otherwise with other more complex systems would be prohibitive for a lot of people.
Okay, in the context of Rexnord as a business, how important is BrauBeviale for you as a show?
It's a key show in our business. We are a 126-year-old power and motion control company, and beverage is our golden arch. The team in Europe has been coming here every time. Our customers are here, our prospects are here, so there's the expectations that this is a place to meet, and we're very happy to be back.
You mentioned that some of the technology is still in development, it's still being perfected. Can you give us a sense of what is next for Rexnord over the course of 12 months, for instance?
Well, like I mentioned, BrauBeviale came at the right time, and for example, with ART Dynamic Chain, we have the technology, we have the idea, but we're looking for first movers. So OEMs that are able to utilize our idea, build modules, and add their own magic dust. So the value will come from the toys they make with our chain. So we expect that within the next 12 months to have a few OEMs already building ART modules.
Excellent. Ivan, thank you very much indeed for joining me.
Thank you for your time. Appreciate it.